These orders are complicated.
Complicated! Thank you very much. Have a good one. Thank you. Oh, okay. I feel like I've had this before.
Oh, that one's good.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a special guest, Nikki, best friend Nikki, and we are doing something that I've seen going around, which is ordering your holiday drinks at Starbucks and trying them. And so I'm trying to mobile order right now.
It's a mission.
Because it's just gonna be embarrassing to go through the drive-thru, and I feel bad for the person behind us, so I'm just gonna mobile order. But like, I'm confused.
These orders are complicated.
Complicated! I'm trying to add chai.
There's water in the drink.
I'm supposed to have water? Alright. Look at the line at the drive-thru. Oh my goodness. Does anyone else's Starbucks location have the longest lineup ever?
Hi, sorry about that. What can I get for you?
No problem. I just have a mobile order I'm gonna pick up.
For who, sorry?
For Rachel?
For Rachel?
Yes.
Alright, you can drive it out.
Thank you. Oops. What's this?
What's the name on your order?
Rachel.
Rachel?
Yeah.
Can I get tray for your order?
Yes, please.
You guys having fun today?
Yes. Are you? You're probably so busy.
It's busy, yeah. I like when it's busy.
That's
It goes
good.
by faster.
Yeah, that's true.
You guys celebrate Christmas?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
You guys go to Vaughn yet for the drive-thru one?
I'm going next week.
You are?
Yeah. Yeah. Are you planning to go to it?
Not tonight. I'll probably go sometime. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. It's
been
filling
a
up.
weird year though.
Yeah.
Right now it's going on.
Yeah.
Did you see the Times Square Christmas tree?
No.
Oh,
And,
the Charlie Brown.
you saw it?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. I'll
Lovely
show you.
tree.
Hey, it's a
When
representative.
they were decorating it, they found a baby owl.
Oh,
And
did
they put the owl in a veteran clinic to rehabilitate and release the wild.
Oh,
And
nice.
the owl actually has a Twitter page right now.
What?
That's so funny.
What's your holiday movie choice?
Holiday on Netflix?
Oh, Holiday.
Yeah.
I saw that too. That was
It was funny. It was
Yeah,
good.
it was cute.
I forget the girl's name though. But
Emma Roberts.
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to watch Muppets.
Oh.
Home Alone all the way.
I'm gonna close the door so we can the TV.
Okay. Let's close our door too.
Poor guy. Small interactions with people that you don't get anymore.
I know. It's true. I feel like I don't even know how to make small talk anymore. do, 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 do.
It's definitely longer than 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, it's been
Like half hour.
It's been a half
45
hour.
minutes maybe.
Dashing through the snow, one horse open sleigh. Oh, here we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha. Yay!
Rachel?
Thank
I'm so
you.
sorry.
It's okay.
We got swamped.
Thank you very much.
Straws, guys?
Have a good. No, we're good. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. Ooh, I'm excited. Woot woot. Sorry, everyone in the drive-thru. That was so
Oh
sad.
my God, there's...
What are you doing? Okay, I'm going.
See ya.
Oh my God,
God,
this
why is
drive-thru
this
line. It's
location
not.
so popular.
It's not worth it, people. It's not worth
This entire
it.
city. Cheers.
Cheers! All right, so we got our drinks finally.
Okay,
that
wait,
took a
let's-
really long time.
Let's read them out.
Okay, so first one, we got the Irish cold foam cold brew, right? Irish sweet cream.
Cream.
I'm so excited. I was feeling low energy when we were in that drive-thru because it's taking a really long time. But we thank our Starbucks workers because he was delightful.
Yeah, he was really nice.
Okay, so the first one that we're trying here, it looks so cute and I've been dying to try this, so thank you for sending it in. This is the Irish cream cold brew. We got the tall with 1 pump of Irish cream syrup and regular powdered cocoa on top with the sweet cream. It looks so pretty. Mmm, this is good.
Do you have to mix it?
Do you have to mix it? Maybe I try just the cream. It's good. It tastes like, I don't know, it's good.
Mmm.
Yeah, I don't know
That
what
one's
that
good.
flavor is. I guess it's vanilla.
Yeah, that one's good. I like that one.
I actually really do like this one.
These warm. Should we do a warm drink after that one?
Mix it up. I like this.
Okay, I'm taking. Ooh. This one is gingerbread latte with dark chocolate curls on top.
Oh yeah, we got the chocolate curls on top. Oh, it all melted.
It all melted. That one smells so good.
Oh.
Ah, that one's good. That one's really good.
What does it taste like?
If you like gingerbread cookies, that's exactly what it tastes like. And I think the 2 pumps gingerbread, which shout out to you for recommending that.
Yeah.
Because it's not too sweet. That's perfect. That one's like...
Oh, okay. I feel like I've had this before.
Have you? I have not had any of the holiday drinks. I haven't even had the matcha.
Yeah, it definitely has like a very distinct taste. But you know what? I was a little bit worried that because we only put 2 pumps that we wouldn't taste the gingerbread.
What did the regular one call for? 4 pumps?
I think it was 4 pumps, yeah.
I think if you had anything more than 2 pumps, it would have tasted too much. Like, I think that's the perfect level.
Wait, did we get oat milk? Which one was oat milk? No, this was not oat milk.
That one's not oat milk.
This one's just 2 pumps. This was just regular.
That one's good.
Oh, I'm sad that the whipped cream melted.
Oh, yeah.
Or maybe they didn't even put whipped cream, because it doesn't say.
And I even said when we were at the window, I was like, I feel that whipped cream.
Yeah. Aw, it's good though.
It's okay.
The windows are all foggy.
I haven't had real milk in
a long
like
time.
a couple years.
Wow.
Okay, which one do you want to try next? Your call.
The
matcha?
No, maybe we stick with the hot.
The hot? Oh, the matcha, I'm excited.
What is it? What did we order? Now I forgot because it's been like 45 minutes.
Okay, wait, don't look. Guess.
Okay. Did we get a chestnut praline? No, we got, oh, the apple! The apple oat milk. Okay, try.
Ooh, this one has foam.
Okay, good. Let's let them see it.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
This one's interesting. I don't know if I love it based off the smell.
Oh yeah, it smells a little weird.
You can't taste the oat. Oh, the apple's throwing me off.
We only did 1 pump of apple too. Is it supposed to be like warm apple cider kind of like a vibe?
Okay, you try first. It's not bad, but I'll tell you my thoughts.
I can smell it and I don't think I'm gonna like it. Oh, it tastes like waffles.
It tastes like an apple strudel. Like, you know the ones you used to get from Pillsbury, and then you put like the icing, you put them in the toaster and you put the icing on?
Yeah, I don't know why it's giving me like Eggo waffle vibes.
Yeah, actually that's pretty close too. Like, I don't hate it.
No, it's better than I thought. When I smelled it,
I was like making
when I smelled it, I was like, oh, I'm not gonna like that because it smelled very like apple, like cider almost. It smelled like kind of bitter.
Oh, bitter. I think the bitter was from the coffee. Probably you're smelling. And then it was like, I just don't think apple goes and mixes with coffee.
You know what? I can definitely see how someone would really enjoy this. Like, it's giving me Eggo waffle vibes. It tastes like an Eggo waffle.
It feels like the perfect fall drink. I know we've left fall.
Yeah.
But, oh, we didn't rate all of them.
Oh, well, we'll rate them at the end. Okay. We have to, like, give ourselves a fair taste, and then we can properly rate them, I think.
Okay. So this one's good. Not my favorite, but it's good.
Probably my least favorite so far. I'm excited for this last one!
Okay.
I've never had a matcha latte before. I was gonna say I've never had anything matcha, but that's not true. I've had matcha cookies before.
Okay, do you think you can remember the order that was given to us?
Matcha latte, iced, half sweet, with a pump of vanilla.
Yeah, you're missing one thing though.
Oat milk.
Yeah.
It's a very you drink.
I love matcha! I love matcha. That's good. Hold on, I need another couple sips. So I've actually never had Starbucks matcha before, but this one's good.
How do you normally have matcha?
I mean, like, I buy the matcha powder, and then I make, like, I'll whisk it and then mix it with, I typically mix it with oat, actually.
Is there a specific brand that you like?
I don't know if this is the best matcha, but I go for David's tea.
Oh no, I've heard good things.
I think it's
Tara Michelle is doing the advent calendar.
Yeah, I saw that actually. I think it's matcha matsu, but that's the one I typically buy. Okay, one more sip. That's good, Rach. I think you're gonna like this. Sorry.
All right, I'm so excited because this has been like so hyped. Can't put my straw in. That was lame. I was trying to be cool.
Honestly, I hope I sleep tonight.
Oh. Okay, I understand the matcha hype. I get it now.
So this is your first experience of matcha?
Yeah, I've never had matcha before. And I really wanted it iced, so I'm glad that you recommended this.
So yeah, and the vanilla too. I mean, oat milk is typically sweet in my experience. So it offsets the matcha taste, but with the 1 pump vanilla, it was good. I like it.
It was good. Good recos. Okay, time to rate the drinks from favorite to least favorite. Okay, so my favorite drink was this one. Was the Irish cold foam.
Okay. I was gonna go,
but this is not even that holiday, was it? I feel like it's new, but I don't think it's a holiday drink, is it?
Yeah, I wonder what makes it holiday.
Irish sweet cream. I don't know, but I really like this. This was my favorite. But I think it's like the most coffee and the least sweet.
Yeah. So my favorite.
Seriously, you're not gonna pick the matcha?
Okay, no, but I'm in the holiday spirit. I love matcha all year round. But if I'm going for my favorite drink right now, I do like the matcha, but I'm gonna have to pick the gingerbread one because I don't know, I just feel festive.
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
It was good. And the 2 pumps, which you guys recommended, was not sweet, and I prefer a not sweet drink, so that was good.
Yeah, it was perfect. Next I would say the gingerbread latte. Okay. So number 2 for me was the gingerbread latte. Number
2 for me would be the matcha because...
And you finished it. It was so good. Number 3 for me would be the matcha. And then that leaves number 4 to be the apple oat latte.
Yeah, and I mean, my number 3 would be that one, definitely, and then that one would be last. That's how
this was, you know what, it was festive, and I also recommend that you try it because the taste was so unique that I wouldn't have even imagined it.
Yeah.
But I guess just in comparison, I would rank this one my least favorite, but I liked it. It was good.
And the only way I could describe this one is it was less latte and more coffee with milk and a sweetener. That's how I felt this one was. Depends on my mood. It wasn't bad. It was good.
All right, it's totally dark now. Thank you, daylight savings. But this was super fun, and I want you to be able to try these holiday drinks as well. So on the day that this is posted, head over to my Instagram, and I will have a gift card posted in my story for you to go to Starbucks and try a drink for yourself. I just ask that in order to spread the holiday cheer, I just ask that it's 1 drink per person so that everyone can enjoy. But thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a happy holiday season. Stay safe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye! Bye.